Hi guys. So today I'm going to talk about a topic which a lot of us dread while we are preparing for our interviews, including me. And I'm talking about guesstimates. Now, what are the key stakeholders that you will keep in mind while you're actually calculating the revenue of Starbucks? Now, the key stakeholders and the key points are going to be, I need to know what are the total number of customers here. I need to know what is the average spend per day for these customers. And the next thing I need to know is the number of hours, right? So here talking about the first thing here, that's the number of hours. So what I've done is I divided the number of hours into peak and lean hours, considering the fact that, lunchtime and late evening dinner time will be the peak hours where there will be the most traffic and where there will be most number of customers, and the rest will be non-peak or lean hours. So I've taken the peak hours to be 4 and lean hours to be around 8 here. And then again, the number of customers, right? I've taken few assumptions into mind while calculating the number of customers. So let's say there are 3 counters or 4 counters and all of them will be busy during the peak hours. And let's say one customer takes around 3 minutes to actually one person takes 3 minutes to actually place an order and everything. That process takes roughly about 2 to 3 minutes. So the number of customers that these counters will be able to cater to will be approximately 60 in this case. And I've taken simple assumptions and to make this problem simple, and I've taken simple numbers as well. Now, similarly for the lean hours, what I've assumed is that, not all counters will be active at the same time. And there might be one active counter or 2 active counters. And on the basis of that, the number of customers that I've taken is around 30 customers per hour that will be catered to. Now, the average spend per day. Now, here again, what I've assumed is I've calculated the average spend for one customer as an individual. So here it can be around 250 for one individual. It can be around 500 for one individual as well. So I've taken a ballpark figure of about 350. And during the lean period, I've taken the ballpark figure to be around 300 here. Now, calculating this, the per day revenue that we get here is around 84K for peak period, and for the lean hours we get around 72K, and that's approximately like 160K that we get to actually which is actually the daily revenue in our case. Now again, this actually might not be the correct answer. Of course it might vary, it might be very far from the correct answer as well, but more or less the approach that I've used is something which is standard, right? I've taken into account key assumptions that we should actually make while solving a typical guesstimate problem like this. And you can have a different approach as well, because there's no one answer, there's no one solution to this problem, right? So you can have different approach as well while you're solving this question. And that is pretty much about how do you actually solve a guesstimate problem and what are the key things you need to keep in mind. And I hope that this was helpful for you. And if you have any questions, you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. And yep, have a good day. Thank you.